Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below.
How are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we will be discussing important current affairs for awards and recognition for May month. It will be quite an important session, students, so stay tuned with us till the end. Let's start. The first news is, name the company that in April 26 became the first domestic cardiovascular manufacturing unit in India to achieve ISO 50001 2018 energy management certification system. So name that company. Which company we are talking about? Sahajanand Medical Technologies Limited. So option 2 is right. It's our answer. Next is, which of the following statement are correct regarding the Pulitzer Prize 2026? So regarding Pulitzer Prize 2026, which among the following are rightly mentioned? All the three are rightly mentioned. The New York Times increased their total Pulitzer Prize to 142 in record since 1917. The New York Times has won 3 awards while the Reuters secured 2 Pulitzer Prizes. And Indian journalist Anand R.K. and Suparna Sharma along with Natalie Obiko Pearson has won the Pulitzer Prize for the report Trapped. Right? Next. Name that Indian space tech startup that became India's first deep tech unicorn in May after raising $60 million, taking their valuation to $1.1 billion. What is the name of that company? Skyroot Aerospace. This is the first space tech unicorn of India. First space tech unicorn. Next, identify the university that became India's first institute of eminence to receive Data Science Council of America accreditation in May 2026. Which is the university? O.P. Jindal Global University. Right? Take a note of this. Next, the Ministry of Panchayati Raj announced the winners of the National Panchayat Award 2025. Mark the correct statement regarding the National Panchayat Awards 2025. So, mark the correct statement here. Among the following, option A is right and option C is right. B is wrongly mentioned. B is saying that Kerala topped the NPA 2025 with 6 awards followed by Odisha and Andhra Pradesh with 5 awards each. Right? Is it so? So, no. Remember, it is Karnataka that has topped here, not Kerala. Right? That is important that you need to remember. Next, who became the first Indian woman to be elected as the Fellow of the Meteorological Society, one of the world's most prestigious honors in meteorologics and planetary science. Right? So, who became the first Indian woman to be elected as the Fellow of the Meteorological Society? Right option, Kuljeet Kaur Marhas. Our answer. Next is, name the mountain where Nepali climber Kamirita Sherpa and Lakpa Sherpa created history by setting new world record for the highest number of ascents in May 2026. Right option, Mount Everest. Next, who was conferred with an honorary membership of the 45 Cavalry Regiment of the Indian Armed Corps in May 2026 for his role in the film Pipa? Name that individual. Ishan Khattar. Right? He was honored here with this award, that is, he was honored not with the award, honorary membership of the 45 Cavalry Regiment of the Indian Armed Corps, where he in Pipa played Captain Balram Mehta. Next, which of the following statements are correct regarding the International Booker Prize 26 as announced in May 2026? Among the following, if we see here, which of the following statements are correct? Option A is right, B is right, C is wrongly mentioned. C says the award carried a cash prize of 1 lakh British pound sterling shared equally between the author Yang Shuangzi and the translator Li King. Next, identify that Indian water quality utility that secured a place among the top 5 global water utilities at the Global Water Summit 26 held in Madrid, Spain. So, what is that Indian water utility? It is Bengaluru Water Supply and Sewerage Board that is among the top 5 global water utilities, right? That secured the top 5 positions in this summit that was held in Madrid, Spain. Next is who became the first Indian test pilot to be elected as the fellow of the Society of the Experimental Test Pilots of USA in May 2026. So who became the first Indian test pilot to be elected as the fellow of the Society of the Experimental Test Pilot? Right option KK Venugopal. This recognition honors his outstanding contribution to experimental flight testing, aerospace innovations, and India's indigenous defense aviation programs. Next, name that ISRO mission that received the 2026 Global Aeronautics Award from American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics in May for achieving the world's first soft landing near the moon's south pole. Right option Chandrayaan 3. Next, who among the following were elected as the Fellow of the Royal Society, one of the world's oldest and most prestigious scientific academies in May 2026? Among the following, if we see, option A, Professor Manindra Agarwal, the director of IIT Kanpur, and Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, the former chief scientist in the World Health Organization. They were elected as the Fellow of the Royal Society, one of the world's oldest and most prestigious scientific academies. Next, the Indian origin Professor Salim Abdul Karim won the gold and Professor Kirtan Deda won silver. They were honored with the Order of Mapunguawe, the highest civilian honor of which country? So this is the highest civilian honor of Africa, right? Gold was honored to Salim Abdul Karim and silver was honored to Professor Kirtan Deda. Next, name that Indian Army officer who was honored with the UN Military Gender Advocate of the Year Award 2025. Right option Major Divya Ajit. I correct, Major Abhilasha Barak, right, was honored here with the UN Military Gender Advocate of the Year Award. Right, she completed her training at the Combat Army Aviation Training School that is in Nasik, Maharashtra, and here she was honored with this award. Next, identify the regional rural bank that received the national award from the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority for outstanding performance under the Atal Pension Yojana. So, identify the regional rural bank. It is your Karnataka Grameen Bank, right? It's received the national award from PFRDA for outstanding performance under Atal Pension Yojana. Next, which of the following statement are incorrect regarding the Cannes International Film Festival 2026? Among the following, we have to find the incorrect one. So, option B is right, C is right, A is wrong. A is saying that the Romanian director Cristian Mungui won the Palme d'Or for his drama Jod and became 3 times Palme d'Or winner. Is it so? No. Cristian Mungui became not third time, but second time Palme d'Or winner, right? He's a 2-time Palme d'Or winner, remember this. Next is name the host location awarded the hosting rights for 2027 Asian Relays and the 2028 Asian Indoor Athletics Championship announced by the Asian Athletes Association in May. So what are the host locations here? It will be held in Chandigarh and Odisha. That means in Chandigarh, Asian Relay will be held in 2027 and in Odisha, Asian Indoor Athletics Championship will be held in 2028. Next. So these were your important current affairs, students. Now it's time for your revision part. Let's move on. Building company that delivered the 6th Project 17A Stealth Frigate Mahendragiri to the Indian Navy in April. So which is that organization? It is Madgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, and this is the 6th ship, that is your Mahendragiri. It is the 6th ship delivered under the Project 17A to the Indian Navy and the 4th frigate built by Madgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. Next, identify the bilateral military exercise that was conducted between Indian Army and Royal Cambodia Army. So between India and Cambodia, this exercise is being conducted from 4th to 17th of May. What is the name of this exercise? It is SINBEX, Cambodia India bilateral exercise. Right? Then from Indian side, remember it was Maratha Light Infantry Regiment that took part here. Next, what is the strike range of the long-range hypersonic anti-ship missile which was successfully tested by India in their second flight test in May in the Odisha coast? So the range here is 1500 km. Next, Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, and Indian Air Force successfully conducted the maiden flight trials of the indigenous dash glide weapon system of the coast of Odisha in May 2026. So this is your indigenous tactical advanced range augmentation, that is Tara glide weapon system of the coast of Odisha that was tested. Next, the government of India appointed Lieutenant General retired N.S. Rajasubramaniam as the third Chief of Defence Staff, and Vice Admiral Dash was appointed as the 27th Chief of Naval Staff. So, Lieutenant General N.S. Rajasubramaniam appointed as the third CDS, whereas Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan was appointed as the 27th Chief of Naval Staff. Right? Take a note of this. He will be succeeding whom? He will be succeeding Admiral Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. Right? Next is name the indigenous fast petrol vessel FPV that was commissioned by Indian Coast Guard in May at Goa Shipyard Limited in Goa. So it is Indian Coast Guard ship Achal that is the fast petrol vessel that was commissioned by Indian Coast Guard at Goa Shipyard Limited. Right? And this is the fifth in the series of the 8 Adamya class fast petrol vessels. Next, mark the correct statement regarding the DRDO scramjet combustor test and Agni missile fight trial conducted in May. If we look at the options here, all the three options are rightly mentioned. Next, mention the company that partnered with France-based Exale Technologies to develop advanced unmanned mine countermeasures systems for the Indian Navy's upcoming mine countermeasure vessels, acting as the prime contractor for the program. So we mentioned the company that we are talking about here is L&T, Larsen & Toubro. Next, give the correct statement regarding the foundation laying of the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft Program facility in Andhra Pradesh in May by Rajnath Singh, our Defence Minister, along with Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu. So mark the correct statement regarding the foundation laying of the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft Program facility. Among the following, if we see, all the three options are rightly mentioned here. Next, mark the correct statement regarding the multinational military exercise by the name Pragati. So correct statement regarding Pragati exercise, if we see here, option A is right and C is right, B is wrongly mentioned. It is saying, B is saying that in the exercise, Bangladesh, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Maldives, Nepal, Philippines, Seychelles, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, all of them took part in this exercise. Right? So if we see, yes, Bangladesh took part in this exercise. No, Bangladesh did not take place in this exercise. It was Bhutan that took place in this exercise. Yes, Cambodia took part in this exercise. Then yes, Indonesia, Laos, then Malaysia, Myanmar, Maldives, Nepal, Philippines, Seychelles, Sri Lanka, Vietnam. Yes, they all took part here, but not Bangladesh. Next, name the defense technology company that secured a contract from the Indian Navy under Advanced Defense Technology Incubation, that is Aditi 3.0 framework in May for the integrating and commissioning a high power microwave system for the naval platforms. So name that defense technology company. It is Tonbo Imaging India Limited. Next, identify the first next generation offshore patrol vessel launched by GRSC, that is Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, for the Indian Navy in Kolkata, West Bengal. So identify that next generation offshore patrol vessel. It is INS Sanghmitra. Next, identify the universal rocket launcher system successfully tested by India with strike capabilities of up to 300 kilometers from the integrated test range in Chandipur of the coast of Odisha. What is the name of that rocket launcher, universal rocket launcher system? It is Suryastra. Next is mention the defense manufacturing company that successfully tested the Vayu Astra 1, a loitering munition with a 100 km strike capabilities in 2026 at Pokhran, Rajasthan and Joshimath, Uttarakhand. It is Naib Limited. Next, mark the incorrect statement regarding the Agni 1 short-range blasting missile test conducted by India in May 2026. Among the following, A is right and C is our answer. C is right. C is the right option. Our answer is A and B, which are wrong. Right. So if we see here, Agni 1 has a strike range of 500 to 700 km. This is wrong given because the actual range is 700 to 900 km. Right. Then B option is the missile can carry up to 1200 kilograms of conventional or nuclear warheads. Is it so? Right. So here they can carry up to 1000 only. 1000 kilograms of conventional warhead. It can be extended up to 1200 in certain cases, right? There has to be configurations, but actual payload capacity here is of only 1000 kilogram. Next, the Department of Space approved the establishment of new common technical facilities in which of the following states in May to strengthen India's space ecosystem. So among the following, if we see here, in which of the following states? It is Gujarat. Next, identify the digital application launched by the Indian Army in May to streamline logistics and sustainment management through integrated logistics and inventory platform. So identify the digital application. It is Q-Force.